Welcome back, and in this video we'll talk about a solution of PicoCTF box. So the box name is Verify. This is a forensics box. So without any further delay, let's get to the solutions. I hope you have read all those descriptions and all. So if you read the description carefully, there are some important words that are the hash and the decryption script. And there is a attachment too. I already downloaded the attachment. So what I'll do, I'll just extract those. Okay, and as there is some hash and decryption script, then you can basically imagine there might be some data or some files that need to be decrypted. So yes, we have a checksum file that is a hash. So the thing is, there might be some case scenario where we need to verify those files, or the script will verify the files. So let's just open the script first. Okay, so as you open the script, you can check this is a generic script, like a really easy ones. So it's in bash, and then the first thing is the comments are really helpful. So the first thing is checking if okay, if there is any file names provided or not. If it's not, then it will throw the error. Then is taking the input in a variable. Then it's checking if the file is present. If it's not present, then it will show you this error. And then it's checking for the decryption. So like the last step is what we are doing. Now if you don't know what the script is basically doing, what you can do, you can just copy the script and open and paste it in ChatGPT for more explanation. Like I am not a genius too, so what I've done, I cannot understand this line, so I've just pasted this 2 or 3 lines in ChatGPT to know what this command does. You can get it through Google too, but you know the ChatGPT is faster, right? And you want to save our time. Now above all those script, these are like common script, you can really understand all those things. Now if you can't, also don't be shy, just paste it in ChatGPT and just get the essence of it. But the main thing is try before you just reach into the solutions. Okay, so the the try is more important than getting to the solutions. Okay, you'll learn a lot of things. Okay, now let's run the script. I'll just open a terminal here. I'll try to um zoom it as much as possible. Okay, so I'll just zoom it. I hope it's visible now. And the script you already have, so I'm not zooming it. So let's just ls. Okay, we have these files, and let's run that. Okay, and before that we need to obviously get some file names. So what we can do, we can do some ls files, copy any file names, and then if you don't know how to copy, Control Shift C, and then we'll just clear the screen. Then we'll execute the script. Now the script is in files, and we'll just paste it here. It's showing a error. Okay, so where the error is being triggered, this is the error, right? Error, some file name is not a valid file, look inside the files folder. Okay, so it's not getting the file. So if you check the script more carefully, it's looking into, so our input is this thing. So think this as a input. Okay, so it is going into this file. I'm just pasting it here. I'll just change it. So now think it's going to which directory? It's going to root directory, home directory, then CTF player, drop in, and then going to this files and something. Or it's not into in my PC. It's not into that folder, right? It's within the PicoCTF folder. Then I'm extracting those into the verify or something within the PicoCTF, right? So if it goes to home and ctplay, I don't have those options. If I go to file system, then home is going currently here, and then I have Kali, right? It's not going to the same directory, so the directory is the problem. So we have to solve it. How we can solve it? We can just change the directory, correct? What we'll do, we'll just change the directory to write this. Okay, before that we need to change, right? So we'll just use Control Z to fix those things that we change here. Okay, now we'll change the script along with our necessary. And now if I give the input, it will be basically going into files, then the file's name, right? And here too, we have another path. So we'll change it here directly. Okay, the script is now mostly ready, right? Now let's execute it again. And you can see bad magic number failed to decrypt the files. The flag is fake, right? So we are currently here. Now this file cannot be decrypted with this because there are multiple files, correct? So we are just decrypting this file. So this is not the correct file. So we have to use with each and every file, name to check which one is being correct or not, right? Now if you check, there are lots of file. You cannot actually just use each one of them. That will take a lot of time of you from your side. So what you can do, you can again go to ChatGPT, ask for a script. I know the script is will be easy, but though I'll just let you know how the script is basically made. So if you don't know Bash, then obviously use those ChatGPT thing. Otherwise, if you know, then you can write your own script. Now you need to use like you need to provide the directory. Then it's just a loop. Like if you know a little bit of programming, you can basically guess we will run a loop and then execute the script, right? So we'll let it know the directory. Then we'll run a for loop within the directory. So for maybe we'll name it file. So each and every file that it will be getting from the directory. Then we'll obviously take this variable, okay, and then we'll use do, and then we'll call the script. Okay, so what we'll do, we'll call the script name is decrypt the .sh. Then we'll use the file name. Now we need the value of the file name. We'll use like this. We'll provide it as a string. Then we'll use done. So it should work. So if it get any error, we'll fix it, no issues. We'll just ls. Now we have to give it a execution permission. So we'll just use this chmod, and then we'll run it. Okay, so it's currently is running and it read from all of the file. Now if you can add more script if you want to eliminate these error lines, but uh, it's not actually that much file. You can just scroll up and get the real answer, right? It will take a lot of time if we again write another script to remove those lines. So if you remove those lines, then great, like that is a great script to work with. But currently if I go and just scroll, I'll get the answer. So that's the thing. So you got the answer. Just go there and paste it currently and then submit. Cool. That's for this video. We'll again come with another video with another box to solve. Okay, let's see you there.